So here's how to log into TikTok website using the QR code. So first you want to open your browser and then head to tiktok.com. Then you want to press the login button and then choose use QR code. Now you want to bring out your phone and make sure TikTok is open, and then you want to press on the profile logo. Then you want to press on the menu on the top right and then select my QR code. Now you want to click on the button on the top right to scan, which is this one, and it should open up the camera, so you want to approve it. Now you want to scan the QR code, and like that you will be prompted to confirm the login, so just press login, and like that you should be logged into your tiktok.com on the website or the browser. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.